Christmas carols will sing. I'm Stacy J, doing Vlogmas today. Trees are up, Merry Christmas we say. Spend time with me as I sew something. We count down to Christmas Day.
Hi, if you're anything like me, you hate wastage of fabric. I hate wasting fabric. I've got fabric bins with sizable bits of fabric sitting in there waiting for something I might be able to do, which is fantastic for this current Vlogmas going on because I'm using scraps of fabric to make awesome little gifts. So I'm going to do something today that absolutely is going to scrap bust what happened yesterday. I'm Stacey J and this is my studio, and welcome to day 10 of Vlogmas. Day 10 only brings, I'm sorry, the sun is actually behind me. Let me turn you this way. The day 10 is another day in my calendar, of my advent calendar of awesomeness, of flamazingness. I'm going to pop that open. I want to shout out to everybody that wished my daughter good luck in her procedure. She came out of her general anesthetic giggling, which was so cute to see it, and a great big smile on her dial, which was hilarious to see. My daughter's last operation was 2012 when she was 6. Yes, I believe it's 6. Anyway, so it was very, very cool to see her. Yeah, and she came through it all good. She's actually just recuperating on the couch and enjoying just being able to do nothing, which is great for her. So today's little flamazingness was a little Christmas flamingo. Yay! Right, so scrap busting. It is something that we love to do as sewists, and finding the one that is small enough to scrap bust. Now, yesterday I made an awesome wee pouch that can hold all sorts of things and hang them off your tree. They don't have to even be at Christmas time. You can make this anytime and give a gift that is of whatever, gift card mixed with some chocolates or something like that in them. So I am just going to go and get it 1 second. So it's this little box here, and we've got the two little dinky bits of rope or string. It's a nice little silver string that sort of goes Christmassy with the there's absolutely no silver on this bag. Oops. So it goes nicely, and it can be doubled as a wee bag later on anyway. So it depends on what fabric you use. I think it's fantastic. I love the size of it. I think it's quite a really reasonable size. So that is yesterday's vlog, if you want to check out how I made that. Now, I did get some other awesome comments, especially from Sandra. She sent me a link, so I'll be making that. I love that. That was really, really cool. I've cut out the fabric already, but going forward from this, if you remember, it started as a T, a little T, a lowercase t, and I had 4 squares with the padding left over. So I thought today, why not scrap bust this? So you can see that I'm not throwing this away, that I'm actually going to scrap bust it. I have got 4 of these, 4 corners, 11 by 11s, and I have cut out matching lining, which is the actual lining inside that. So I am going to now make coasters. So I've got my little owls up this way. I decided that I was going to put my owls up the opposite way. So my 2 owls are going upside down. My other owls in center are up the right way. And I'm going to pin the 4 corners. I'm going to leave a gap, and I'm going to do a 5 millimeter seam allowance. I need to, all right, so that's good there. So I'm just going to bring you down to here. Today I'm wearing another kingfisher. This is my tiger kingfisher. I have my brown ripped jeans on as well. And yep, so I'm just going to go around all of these 5 millimeter seam allowance. Just make sure that that's lined up, which it isn't. Now this is a printed fabric. It is not a woven print. So it means that only one side of this is actually got the print on it. Apparently, as I found out, the hotter the iron, the more smudgy it gets. So I was a bit disappointed when I saw that yesterday. Oh, I thought it was worse than that. It was not. Right, so I'm going to go around all them. I'm going to leave, I'll just see if I can make this blue pen work. Yep, I'm going to leave a gap here. So start there, all the way around, 5mm seam allowance. Let's get to it. And I'm going to do it to all 4 of these, and I'm going to come back with them all done, and we're going to turn them in the other way and then top stitch it after we give it a press.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. The fragrance of flowers in the air. It's great, the temperature is rising. The windows down while we are driving. The excitement of a new year is near. Blue skies, the clouds are clear. It's Christmas down under. Sunshine, not thunder. Camping.
Did you see what I did? Yes, I was too busy interested in making sure that one was upside down, one was up the right way, and yeah. So I'm going to go and iron all of these. I've got them all turned in the right way, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll get back to you once I've done that. So I've ironed them all, they're all ironed. I'm going to go around and do a top stitch on them. So just put you down so that you don't get blasted in the eyes with our gorgeous sun. Gorgeous. Okay, so make sure you're going over the hole. Now when I ironed it, I did the filled one. What's it called? It's called padded one first. Okay, and I did that one first and folded it under, and the other one went under really nicely and easily. So just go over the top, nice top stitch. I'm lining it up with the edge of my foot, back tack, and go for it. And this is a fantastic way to fabric bust. I mean, you don't have to just use it because it was a cutout. And my son's friend has just come, and because they have no respect for their own eardrums.
With the family, hang in there. Merry, Merry Christmas to all of.
Well, there you have it, folks. I have now got 4 coasters, all in the right way. And they have a lovely Christmas theme on both sides. They are going to be great because there is a wadding in between them, and the wadding will make them actually moist, keep up the moisture that it comes off the bottom of your glass. Sorry, I'm just tutuing while I do. It'll come off the bottom of your glass and sit on these and won't damage your timber. So I thought I'd do these because I'd actually like to pop these inside here. I mean, it's a little coaster holder now, isn't it? My brother and his partner Tracy have just bought a caravan, and they are going to tiki tour. Well, they have been tiki touring in a not as caravan, so this would be great in their little caravan. They'll be able to take it, and inside it they can have it stored there. And yes, they are Christmas, and yes, it is only about once a year that they can say, well, let's theme it up. They actually sometimes do a mid-year Christmas. So there you go. So I thought that was a great way to bust that fabric, those leftover fabrics, to use them for good, not for evil. There you go. What do you think? Bada bing, bada boom, done. Not much has happened. Sun is shining, birds are chirping. Life is good, my friends. So stay well, stay warm, stay dry, keep cool, keep on sewing, hydrate, have no regrets, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I know, finishing that so soon without something to say after it, and I've blown it because I went and said something. So thanks guys for watching. Please leave a comment or just a heart or just thumbs up to say you've watched it. I really appreciate it. Special shout out to Jane. She popped in some lovely donation for me. Thank you very much. I super appreciate it. I appreciate the comments. They make me feel all warm and fuzzy on the inside. So thank you everyone that has been watching. I also want to thank Libby. Libby also gave me a Ko-Fi last month. Yes, last month. Thank you very much for that, Libby. And Julie, of course, gave me one in October. So thanks, guys. Really appreciate it. It's so nice when I hear a little, well, I actually don't hear it, a little email pops up on my phone or on my watch and says, hey, check out your Ko-Fi. It's really, really appreciative. Okay, guys, I'm going to let you go now. See, I knew I'd say something else. Take care. Look after yourselves. Stay cool till after school, which is finishing soon. See you guys later. Bye.
Thank you for watching today. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Please subscribe, like, and share.